Hey everyone, welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes. In 2025, the global automotive scene is changing fast, and right at the heart of this transformation is BYD, the Chinese electric vehicle giant, rapidly making moves across Europe. Once considered a domestic player focused mainly on the Chinese market, BYD is now rewriting the rulebook by expanding its presence aggressively into European territory. The goal? To become a global EV powerhouse. BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, isn't just dreaming anymore, they're delivering. After overtaking Tesla in EV sales in late 2023, BYD's momentum hasn't slowed down. The company's strategy in Europe is bold: direct sales, local production, and a full lineup tailored to European tastes. One of the biggest highlights of 2025 is the construction of BYD's first European manufacturing plant in Szeged, Hungary. The factory is not just about assembling cars, it's about showing commitment to the European market. Local production means lower costs, faster delivery times, and, most importantly, a better connection with local consumers and regulations. BYD understands that to win in Europe, it needs to be more than an exporter, it needs to feel like a native brand. In terms of models, BYD is playing it smart. They're not flooding the market with every model from their Chinese lineup. Instead, they've hand-picked vehicles like the BYD Seal, Atto 3, and Dolphin, each offering something unique. The Seal, a sleek sedan, competes head-on with the Tesla Model 3. It's got a futuristic design, a comfortable interior, and solid range performance. The Atto 3, on the other hand, is a compact SUV, stylish and practical, especially for urban and suburban users. And the Dolphin? It's aimed squarely at younger buyers, offering affordability without compromising too much on features. But BYD's expansion isn't just about cars, it's also about infrastructure. The company is partnering with local European charging networks to ensure that their customers don't just buy an EV, they get a full ecosystem. From in-app charging maps to seamless payment systems, BYD is focused on creating a smooth user experience from showroom to road. There's also a noticeable shift in their marketing approach. No longer relying on silent entries or low-key launches, BYD is now investing in European auto shows, influencer partnerships, and even motorsports. In fact, BYD's sponsorships and presence in events like the Geneva International Motor Show are becoming major talking points in the EV world. So how are European carmakers reacting? Brands like Volkswagen, Renault, and Stellantis have already taken notice. While they're stepping up their EV game, they're also facing a price versus value challenge. BYD brings tech-heavy vehicles at competitive prices, thanks in part to their vertical integration strategy. They produce their own batteries, electric motors, and even semiconductors, giving them an edge in both innovation and cost control. Still, challenges remain. European consumers can be brand loyal and cautious. Questions around data privacy, reliability, and long-term service availability are still in the conversation. But if 2025 has shown us anything, it's that BYD is here not just to compete, but to lead. Every quarter, their market share grows, and more dealerships across France, Germany, the Netherlands, and the UK are adding BYD to their rosters. What makes this even more exciting is how it pushes the entire industry forward. The pressure is on legacy carmakers to accelerate innovation, reduce prices, and offer more value to consumers. And for us as auto enthusiasts, that's a win. So, whether you're an EV lover, a petrolhead watching the shift, or just someone curious about where the future of driving is headed, keep an eye on BYD. The European roads are changing, and chances are, the car next to you in traffic soon might just be a BYD. Thanks for tuning into Smooth Auto Vibes, your daily dose of clean rides and bold moves in the auto world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.